So hello guys, so today I'm trying to test the helmet and the Rode microphone in here. I would like to try it outside, but why not do it here? So here we have the first packaging and another one. So today we have a few watches. All of them are the square type. We'll go with the first one. This was already pre-unboxed just now, so it's the 35th anniversary series. You can see the model number here is the DW-5035D. Okay, let's do the unboxing video. Documentations, warranty card, the 3229 or 3421 module. At the box display is 3421. So inside is the 35th anniversary black box. I hope this is in focus. I did it manually with a 50mm lens, so let's see and hope. So here we have it, the square model DW-5035. This is the classic square model from the original series with the screw back cover in gold for the anniversary series, and displayed is the project theme tough, and with the tough, this one does not have tough solar if I'm not mistaken. This is similar to the, so the difference is this one has tough solar, this one does not, and this is of the Big Bang Black series, which has a matte black color, matte black painted over, and this one is just a standard resin band. Both comes with the everything almost the same, only that this one has black buckle. So let's go to the next unboxing video. Keep this first. I hope the breathing sound is not that distracting. Next we have here, and this is we have two boxes. So here we have two boxes. Both are GW-B, the Bluetooth series 5600. One is HR and another one is BC. Both are the square model as well. Let me remove this quickly. So this is the 5600HR, the red one, and here unboxing the other one. GW-B5600BC positive display. The difference between the BC and HR is the BC has positive display and a green or yellow front panel, and the GW-B5600HR has a negative display with the red essence also displayed at the band itself. Combi band. This is called a combi band. So a detail, I have done an unboxing video of the 5600HR before, so I would like to customize this later with a steel band or something. Let's hope to see that. So here we have the 4 square series. So from my right, from your left, would be the GW-5035 to be exact, the Anniversary series, GW-5035A for the Big Bang Black series. Next is the DW-5035 from the Anniversary series as well. Next is the GW-B5600HR, the combi lock, like the steel one, but this is much more lighter and combination of steel and resin, so it's very light with the Bluetooth feature, multi-band and tough solar. Here is the similar one, only a different colorway, a positive display and a green or yellow tint display. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Comment on how the microphone works on this video. Here I have the Rode Go mounted on the helmet. I would like to try this on the bike ride. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe and give a like to the video. Thank you very much for watching. The wide video was taken with this lens. It's a Mutacon 50mm f/0.95 aperture. Very wide aperture. It's quite difficult to focus with this lens. Quite heavy lens by Zhongyi Mutacon Speedmaster series. Thank you very much. Bye.